Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for your headphones SOUNDCORE Space Q45 with using your iOS device. Basically you have two options here. So the first one is to create a widget, so just press and hold in empty space, then click edit or plus at the left top, then add widget, scroll down and click on batteries. Now choose the best one widget for you, let's say that's okay for me. After you choose it, click add widget. And right here you can check a battery level. And the second option is to use an application, just open it and right here we have this icon. That's it, no numbers, I don't know why. But maybe SOUNDCORE changed it in a new updates, I don't know. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!